Hey everyone, I am Melissa's friend Sabrina, and I just got a Gel Moment parcel in. Literally came in so fast, definitely less than a week. I was gonna wait till it was a little bit darker so it was less fuzzy around here. I'm just gonna scrub this just in case. No. So it's just the light in here, but I can't wait. So I hosted a party, a Gel Moment party, shared the link with some of my friends, and it's totally worth it. And I recommend you talk to Melissa about that if that's something you're interested in. There's some really great products, really good quality, and I'm already sold. So I'm gonna open this up. I didn't even open up this box because I want you to see my reaction. I was gonna go live, and then I was like, well, this would be easier to save and share probably if it wasn't live. So here we are. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So this package is worth way more than what I paid for it, and all I paid was $136, I think. The kit that I got alone is $180, and then I got other stuff on top of that, okay? So this is one of the items that I got. It's the Hair Spa Shine Therapy Paddle Brush. Supposed to be good for keeping your hair smooth, less fuzzies, and all that stuff. And so because I have curly hair, that is definitely something that is good to have when I don't want it to be curly. So I'll just take it out of here since that's what it looks like. It's got a little comb here that you can pop out. I'm all shaky. All I've had today was caffeine. I have supper in the oven, but yeah, so that will divide your hair in sections. Really like that. All right, so there's that. I got the mat, so I won't take it out of the plastic. So this is good. So when you're trying to, you won't make a mess anywhere. So when you're taking off your polish and all that good stuff, putting polish on, cutting your nails, all that stuff, it'll all go on that mat and it'll be easy to throw out. Bath salts. So samples are where it's at, and she just showed up and gave me the samples in a catalog one day, and I really like the smell of the bath salts and the way they felt. And I like spa smells. So this smells very spa-like. It's Euphoria. It's eucalyptus and peppermint. And I think it kind of reminds me of Vicks. And I'm stuffed up when allergy season's in and stuff, so I feel like that would, it smells like Vicks, but it's so good. Love it. So, and it's a really good price point. Like this size I think is like $15, so I really like that. And what else did I get? I got nail clippers and the toe separators. And what else is in here? Oh, this is your application steps for doing your nails, so I like that. And this is super cute. This says thank you for your order, and it shows who put my order together, and she put a little XO as well. So I really like that special touch. Lush does that as well. I believe this is a Canadian company. That's why I got the order so quick. And everything really was packaged really nice. Fun fact, so I picked the deluxe set. You're even allowed, or not allowed, but you're even able to choose what the outside of your box looks like. So they have a floral one, they have another one, and then of course I chose this one. It's a little edgy, I like it. So, so this is the deluxe kit, and it says one-step gel polish, salon quality, long-lasting, vegan, non-toxic, eco-friendly. So happy about that. And they don't test on animals either, which makes me very happy. I try to be smart with most of my purchases. I'm not vegetarian. I would love to be, but I try to buy things like that I don't need, like makeup and stuff that aren't, I just broke a nail. So be careful when you open this. It's on here tight. I try to get makeup and stuff that is cruelty free because it's not a necessity. Wow. I'm kind of sad that I broke a nail. I haven't broken a nail in a long time, and I literally just got them done yesterday. All right, so what's this? Oh, look at this. So it is very hard to choose colors. In the catalog, it describes the colors. What I did was choose like my top 3 colors that I normally go to. I usually have a bright pink, purple that's almost black, and a red. Okay, so those are my 3 classics. So this is what the box looks like. Looks like it's magnetic here, so I'll open it up. Oh boy. So there's how it is. And so I've got the nail files. You even get to pick the color of the nail files, the color of your lamp. You get to pick the color of your cuticle pusher, and you get to pick your gel colors. So there's the cuticle cutters. This is one of the colors that I got. I don't think I'm going to open these just because time. There's a cuticle pusher. So what was the other thing? Okay. And then nail cleansers. And then other colors. So let's just, I'm going to actually open that because I don't understand. But here's the lamp. I got the matte black. You can get matte black or white. Yeah, it's a really small size. It plugs in. Your hand fits in there, no problem. Really great. It's sensor activated. And it has the digital display, so that's really good, and it cures in 45 seconds, so I like that. I'm gonna open this box here and see. Oh boy, okay, so I don't know what this, okay. Oh, this is the flake off stuff, so that's good. It'll make, so it comes with 2 flake offs, so that's one of them. There, and then I got Keepsake. So this is the pink color I got. These are really great sizes too for the prices, and the coverage is really great. So you really get your value. And this one's called, shoot, Jasmine Cherry. So there's my purpley black. And Red Stiletto is the other one that I got. There's so many pinks and reds that I want. And there's a flamingo color too that I really liked. And there's the red stiletto there. So yeah, so I'm thinking I'm going to be quite happy with this. I essentially got this kit just so I could do my toes. So I go to Element 5 to get my toes done, and it costs over $100 to do it once a month. So I paid just over that for this whole thing, not even just for my feet, but like for everything. And it's the cost of 1 spa appointment. So if it works well on my toes, I'm going to be one happy camper. I will not have to pay the premium to go to the spa to maybe get a good pedicure. Sometimes you get a good one, sometimes you don't, but you pay the same price. So anyway, that's my 5 cents. So thanks a lot, Melissa. You were super helpful in the process. Very excited to try all these out very soon. Hope everyone's having a great day, and hope you have an awesome weekend regardless of what's going on in the world. Talk to you soon. Melissa. Probably not the rest of you. Okay, I'm a dork.